Alright, this is how to make a fishing telescoping net. Just need a regular net. You need a painter's extension rod and a couple of machine screws. So first off, you just take this black piece off, throw it away. Then you're gonna stick about a foot of this, slide it right inside, make 3 holes, and then stick these completely in there and screw it. I'll show you how that looks in a second. Alright, so I drilled 3 holes, so now I'm just gonna put the machine screws in there. Be right back. Alright, so the screws are in. I'm gonna have to tighten it in a bit. Anyways, so I just give it a little twist. And that's it.